How to save and download Instagram messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your Instagram chats safely. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and privacy section, you simply have to tap on account center. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on your information and permission. And on the next page, simply tap on export your information, and there you simply have to tap on create export. Now on the next page, simply select your Instagram account, and after that simply tap on export to device. And now here in this section, you simply have to select messages or choose all data to download everything, and there you'll have two options to download it as a HTML format or JSON. So simply choose that, and once you're done with it, simply tap on Start Export. And once you do that, Instagram will process your request, and this may take a few minutes to a few hours. And after that, you'll receive an email with a download link once it's ready. So there you just have to open the email and tap download information and log in to Instagram if prompted. And with that, you just have to extract the zip file you receive and then open the message HTML file to see your chats. And that's it. That's how you can save and download your Instagram message safely. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.